It's Saturday at Klutch Kickers, and it's a wet one. Good morning and welcome back. Today is Saturday morning. We are back on the way to Freedom Factory for the second day. This time it is Saturday morning and it is practice and then qualifying and then top 64. So practice went pretty well. We're still having some kind of charging or draw issue that we're trying to work out. We'll be putting the alternator on. Found out that my brake caliper bracket, the bolts had broke off, so it was just kind of free floating in the hub, which was really weird. I can't believe it didn't cause more damage or issues than it did, but I got that sorted out now. It's probably dragging, making the car slower too, so glad we found it. And I'm gonna try and go do the thing. All right, this looks a lot different than when we pulled in here yesterday. Pulling in the Freedom Factory with the big ass helmet. And it's dry. All right, made it out, setting up the pit. James is getting the front bumper and the hood secured here. Got our tents up, it's gonna be hot. Tamara, you ready to go? Yep. All right, time for driver's meeting.
Last cone is gonna be at 0, so you need to be initiated, into the bank.
Ready to go. Practice about to start here. Got draft there. FuelTech's running good. Comp cam sounding mean. Alright, I just did my first lap for Saturday morning practice. First lap in the full dry. I did a full send lap that time. I wanted to see what the car would do and how the track would take a 100% all-in run. It didn't go so well. I spun out coming off the middle and on the concrete, but I learned a lot in that lap, so we'll dial it back 10% here. Just finished first practice. I think we got 4, maybe 5 laps in. Got a couple chases, which was good. Starting to get comfortable with that. And car's doing well. I'm still trying to figure out, coming through the middle across the first inner clip, where I need to be on throttle. If it's kind of leading up to that or after that, because I can't really do both. I was talking to Cletus about kind of some of his advice, and he's like, man, I hadn't run this layout either. So flying in the dark a little bit, learning every lap. Car's feeling really comfortable, and I'm excited to go qualify. Here we go, time to qualify. Rain's coming. Really hoping we get to qualify in the dry. I got like, I don't know, 7 or 8 more cars before me. So again, feel like this is the theme of the weekend. Things have devolved into anarchy here at Klutch Kickers. I was 3 cars from going and qualifying, and the bottom fell out. Our buddy, poor Michael Elsey, is the guinea pig that had to try and go. I don't think it worked out real well for him. I hope they'll give him another lap, or I don't know. It looks like it's going to continue raining for a long time too. So this is kind of unprecedented for Klutch Kickers or competition in general, being that we have so many cars to get through. And now, potentially, if this doesn't get back restarted, only one day to do it in, I don't really know what will happen. Hopefully we get it back going, because that's what needs to happen. Okay, update. We have canceled qualifying now due to the schedule conflicts and concerns that everybody's got, which I'm a fan of. I think it would have been very hard to get the event in its entirety in if we had not done something different. So applaud Klutch Kickers for making that decision. With that, we're going to be battling my buddy Zach Poloff's Corvette that he's got rented out for this weekend, so that should be fun. We were the third car away from being able to qualify, but it didn't work out. So they're drying the track with tractor and some leaf blowers out there, and I think we'll probably get back started tonight. I don't know if we'll get to run, but they're trying to run top 64 tonight. Stay tuned. Well, we were about to go again and got called back to the pits. But if history has told me anything here this weekend, it's even when I think we're not going to get it in, we probably will. So we'll see what happens. Freedom Factory track drying efforts in full effect. I'm confident at this point. Okay, Cletus came by and just told us we're officially done. Starting practice tomorrow, 7:30. Competition goes hot at 8. Our Asphalt Anarchy teammate, Ethan Parnell, is going to be doing his one more time against Adam LZ. I'm up against Poloff's Corvette. Should be fun. Follow along.